Going to work with the devil today, boy.
Going to work with the devil today, boy.
Thank you, Satan.
Working with the devil today, boy.
Yeah, Rick Miller saying that? Rick Miller would say that.
Rick Miller said, he's the devil, boy.
I've been off without the devil today, boy.
Get to work, boy.
Shut the fuck up. Man, enough's enough of that.
The devil's watching you, boy.
I gotta get some, but you can't complain to his boss.
Going to work with the devil today, boys.
What's up, devil boy? What's up, devil boy?
Yeah, so I hear, you're gonna take that trip with Mark. The devil! Mark says you're gonna dive into the lake of fire with him.
Drink the holy cum. Gangbang the fuck out of that holy hole. What was that?
Stacy, I had a good day today. I got to work with Satan himself. Satan. I got to work with Satan. Boy, Satan himself. Working with the devil. One more time. Working with the devil.
Blood on the plans. Running with the devil. Running with the devil, motherfucker.
Yes, sir. Thank you, opportunity, sir.
Working with the devil today, boy. Get close to me. I'll steal your soul, and you'll do my bidding as I see fit for the benefit of all. Are you demon possessed? Tell them.
Tell the apprentice.
Go into the lake of fire. Gonna burn myself ablaze in lake of fire. Hell's bells are ringing them out.
1-inch mark.
Hell's bells are ringing them out.
1-inch mark.
You hear them hell's bells?
He's got a rusty tub. Nice, very rusty.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at that handiwork you did.
Yep.
Let me get my level.
It's clear who holds the spear of destiny. It is that very
Christian Cruz. Flipping out George. You know the guy who's the Jesus freak?
God loves you.
God bless you. God loves you. I love you. We shall die. We will die. We shall die. Ja, bless you. Ja, bless you. We shall die. We shall die. We shall die.
We spell out.
We shall die. Jesus Christ, see our sissies. Jesus Christ, see our sissies. Jesus Christ, see our sissies. Jesus Christ, see our sissies.